All right, guys, we're going to give a little update on the 89 Caprice wagon build, guys. I am currently doing a little bit of painting, and no, it's not on the vehicle. I am currently repainting the motor, transmission, and all the accessory parts, guys. Making it look nice, sprucing it up a little bit. I currently have a lot of stuff to get done and get figured out. Currently, I just finished the first coat. I might do a second coat of paint on some odd and end stuff. You guys ready to see? So you can kind of see I got some parts hanging up here. It's starting to cool down a little bit, so that's why I wanted to try to get some of the painting done tonight, because it's supposed to be starting to get to below freezing, and I know spray painting when it gets really cold does not work very good. So we got the parts pretty much painted. We got the engine block a very nice green. I wasn't quite sure. I tried a couple different colors. One was just too not bright, but like a yellowish green. I didn't like it, kind of like the neon green, but it just didn't look right. And the other one was too dark, and I found the one that was just right. So got that first coat on here. I might just only need one coat. Transmission is painted, but I just kind of did a little overspray onto it just to kind of do that. It was a flat black, but honestly, that flat black is just to kind of keep it from, just to make it look nicer, I guess. And you're not going to see it anyway because it's going to be in the car, but I figured I'd just give it that little spray and make it look nice. But what do you guys think of that green? I like it. And it's going to be sitting in this little engine bay here. So I have a lot to get prepped in this area here. A lot of this wiring I don't even think I'm going to be using. Most of it's kind of just for that, what would you say, the like odd and end stuff, which will not be on this motor. This motor is just going to be carbureted, and yeah, there's gonna be no vacuum stuff. I deleted all the smog stuff off of it because I got some fancy headers sitting up over there. I am gonna put this fan on, and I was thinking I needed to pull this clutch, but that ended up not working. So I found something at my work that will bolt it right on there and give it a little spacing. And yeah, gonna have a new radiator going into it, a bunch of other stuff, but figured I'd just give a little look at what I've been up to. Not too much. I gotta put everything back together. Yes, I do know that I have to clean all these ports off of paint. I gotta bring them down to bare metal along with all this. This was just to overspray whatever. No big deal. I'll clean it up with a wire brush or a wire wheel. Clean it up, get it down to bare metal again so we can have the gasket sealing real nice like. I'm thinking about replacing this here, but we'll see. But currently, things are coming along really, really well. I'd like to be able to hopefully get this thing in here over the weekend, depending on what I got going on. But I got a lot of stuff to get done. I got all the gasket stuff and all the other hot end stuff. This project's been taking a little bit longer than expected, but I think we'll be golden. Got the starter, alternator, those look nice. I'm just gonna rebolt everything back on once I get all this gasket stuff back in. The Edelbrock intake as well. I did have to actually modify it because I ended up breaking the front of this intake. I had there was a bolt that was broke off right here. So what I ended up, I was trying to pull it out, it wouldn't go, and what ended up happening was the sides broke off. But luckily, there was enough thread where I could get a bolt in there and then I JB weld everything back together. So hopefully that holds. I think it will. And it's just a stud, and you just tighten it all the way down, and there you go. Easy peasy. But I know I should have kept it silver, but I don't know. I just want black, and it's gonna have chrome valve covers on it. So I think it's gonna look kind of sick. But there you go, guys. There's a little update of what I've been working on in the shop. I've been hauling in a lot of scrap, so stay tuned. Actually, that scrapping video might have been out before this video even sees the light of day. So stay tuned for that, all that stuff, guys. There'll be more updates coming along on this video. I'm gonna kind of make this all into one really big video. I don't know how long it will be, but we'll find out towards the end, guys. But thank you guys so much. We'll catch you guys in the next clip.